What's up, healthy folks? It's your guy, E-May and Tepri with Natural Immune Advice, coming at you healthy, happy, and feeling terrific to bring you another edition of Bring It From the Face. Thank God I'm healthy! Ladies and gentlemen, now real quick, grab a pen and paper because, yes, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats might be slowing down your natural immune response, causing major digestive problems. Are you a heavy meat eater? How about carbohydrate foods? Or how about foods with mountains of fat in them? Well, are you aware of how hard these types of foods can be for your body to actually break down? Word on the street says this article has the insider secrets of the types of damages these proteins, carbs, and fats are doing to you right this very second. You'll even discover a way through your natural immune response to build and support your digestive system so you can easily control the challenges proteins, carbs, and fats are causing you day after day. Now, you want to remember this. Proteins can come in many shapes and sizes and not just in meats. Proteins are also nuts, seeds, cheese, milk, and even plant foods. But that these same proteins can be overeaten at times than what's recommended, which could lead to things like food allergies or even overreactions from your immune system attacking your body by mistake. Next, this article will highlight the carbs you're eating on a daily basis, which are known to be just what the doctor ordered in terms of refueling your body after a moderate to an intense workout. In fact, they'll even support your natural immune response when your body has overexerted and needs a lift. Got some news for you though. Well, actually, maybe a question. If you're not active or creating the internal space for the carbs you're eating each day to go, what do you think that's going to do to your body over a period of time? And it's true that carbs can even weaken your natural immune response. Now, when it comes to fats, well, I'll let the article explain that one to you. The bottom line is, though, that there is a way for you to still eat what you want while improving your digestion and your body's ability to break down proteins, carbs, and fats no matter how much you eat daily. It's some hot, new, and free information that's changing lives one reader at a time over there at linkedin.com or by clicking the link below this video to start reading now. Read it, leave a comment, and share it with some friends and family. Everyone loves free stuff. And yes, subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to head on over there to naturalimmuneadvice.com to claim your free gift just for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed this awesome information. Stay informed. We'll talk soon.